Imagine a world where computers are invisible. No screens, no cables, just microscopic particles floating in the air, gathering data, sending signals, and maybe watching you. You can't see them. You can't touch them. But they're there, on your desk, on your clothes, maybe even inside your body. This isn't science fiction. This is smart dust. And it's already real. Back in the 1990s, a group of researchers at UC Berkeley proposed a wild idea. What if computers could be shrunk to the size of a grain of sand? They imagined these tiny devices, called motes, scattered throughout the world, each one equipped with sensors, processors, and communication abilities. At the time, it sounded ridiculous. Computers were still the size of bricks. But fast forward to today, and the impossible is happening. Smart dust is becoming a reality, and its implications are both thrilling and terrifying. Each mote is a microscopic machine, capable of sensing its environment, processing information, and wirelessly transmitting data. They're built using microelectromechanical systems, tiny mechanical parts on a silicon chip. Think of them as digital fireflies, constantly blinking out information we can't see. They can detect temperature, pressure, light, motion, chemicals, anything. And they don't need batteries the way we know them. Some are powered by vibrations. Others use solar energy. Some even draw power from the human body. Now imagine releasing thousands of these motes into the atmosphere. They drift on the breeze, settle on surfaces, and silently go to work. In a factory, they monitor machinery, predicting breakdowns before they happen. On a farm, they track soil quality and insect activity, optimizing crop yields. In a hospital, they monitor a patient's vital signs from inside the body. No wires, no needles, just invisible care. It sounds like magic, but it's science. And then comes the dark side. What happens when smart dust is used not to help, but to watch? A single mote is easy to miss. 100,000 are undetectable. Imagine a room filled with them, recording every sound, every movement, every word. You'd never know. There are no cameras, no microphones, just specks scattered like flour on a kitchen counter, quietly gathering information. Governments could use them for surveillance. Corporations could use them to track consumer behavior. Hackers could use them for espionage, all without leaving a trace. And what happens when they're inside you? Some researchers are working on motes small enough to enter the bloodstream. Once inside, they can monitor health in ways we've never imagined. But they could also collect biometric data, track your movements, even alter bodily functions. The same dust that heals could also harm. Once you breathe it in, how do you get it out? This technology blurs the line between tool and threat, between innovation and invasion. We are building a world where every object, every surface, every human could become part of a vast, invisible network of sensors. That's exciting. That's terrifying. That's real. And as with all powerful technologies, it begs the question, who controls it? Will smart dust be a miracle of science, healing the sick, feeding the world, preventing disasters? Or will it be the ultimate surveillance system, hiding in plain sight, quietly rewriting the rules of privacy? One thing's for sure, the age of invisible machines is here. You may not see it, you may not hear it, but the dust is already in the air.